Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I would like to be with you to explain the new book that we have this year. This will be Mega Goal. Of course, you did not study Mega Goal 1 or Mega Goal 2, and we studied last year Traveler 1 and Traveler 2. But this book will be the same as we had last year. So we are going to start with Mega Goal 3. Mega Goal 3 is a book by McGraw-Hill. This is the company that produced the book. First of all, we are going to move through the contents. We have scope and sequence. The first unit will be introduction. طبعا هذه فقط مقدمة للطلاب اللي مو فاهمين إلى الآن. إحنا فقط ناخذ اليوم مقدمة بالعربي. بعد كده as usual we are going to speak English all the time because we are going to teach English by English. First of all, we are going to have introduction. The introduction will be on pages 2 and 5. Okay, we start by introduction, and then we have 6 units. After each 3 units, we have expansion units. As a revision or something new that you will learn. The first unit will be about connected by technology. The second unit will be crime doesn't pay. The third one will be about far and away. Number 4 will be about television, TV around the world. Number 5, we are going to study working 9 to 5. And number 6 will be about going green. By the end of the book, you will find the vocabulary that you are going to study, and then we have irregular verbs. Let's start with the introduction. I know that you don't know what to study, you don't know how to study, but I'm going to be very helpful with you. I will be happy to answer your questions. If you have any question, you can ask these questions through the platform of our school. You can ask me there. You can put your question. And also I put an email for you if you have any question, and I will explain everything. Okay, we start with the introduction. Now you can open your book. You will find this on pages 2 and 5. Introduction. What do we have in introduction? We have functions. You can you may study express opinion. How can you say, what do you think of English, for example? You can express your feeling. It's very interesting thing that I am with my friends, for example. And also preference. I prefer coffee more than tea. And also we are going to talk about agree and disagree. Okay, we are on the same page. You can say, if you agree with someone, you can say we are on the same page. And also you can, we will learn about asking. This is only a revision. Asking for and giving information. You can ask someone, could you tell me please how can I go to that mall or that library? Also, we are going to have warning and advice. If you want to advise someone, you can say you had better study hard. You should go quickly to your appointment. You should study hard, as I said. Of course, this is advice. And also, you can warn something. You can warn someone by telling him this is not a good thing that you should do. Okay? You can see, you can say that you want to get into serious trouble. You will be in a problem. So this is a warning. This is a type of warning. And also in grammar, as I said, we will use had better and recycling using familiar verbs. forms, prepositions, modifiers, inversions. What do we mean by modifiers in grammar? Modifiers are adjectives and adverbs. Okay, usually, always, the same thing. Inversion. How do you use inversion between question and a sentence? Can you go? Yes, I can go. And also the conditioners. You know, of course, prepositions. Okay, this is for the grammar. What about the listening? This is in your book. The listening and the pronunciation. The listening, we are going to listen for introduction, for facts, speaker attitude, and relationship. Pronunciation, we are going to have recycling and using familiar stress and intonation patterns. Of course, in the introduction, we don't have reading and writing. This is for the introduction. I'm gonna also explain Unit 1 and until Unit 6 in next videos. See you next meeting. I'll be happy to be with you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.